Hello everyone, this is just a Dan. Today I'm going to do an unboxing on the Sony 15mm f1.4 lens. So here's everything that comes in the box. It's got a cover for both sides. Got a cover, and we have a sunshade, very easy to put on. Line up the red dots. There. Autofocus or manual focus. 1.4 throughout the entire. Clicks on or off. Yep, that definitely works. Here's what the front of it looks like. Overall length is right at 2 3/4. Widthwise, 2.5. Yeah, it's very lightweight. I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.